Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Deep dive into each other. Uncover hidden pearls. Don't take anything personally. Refuse to eat emotional poison. Taking things personally makes you prey for predators. They can hook your attention with one little opinion and feed you whatever poison they want. Refuse to eat poison. Don't take anything personally. Become immune to poison. The whole world can gossip about you, and if you don't take it personally, you are immune. Immunity to poison in the middle of hell is a gift of the second agreement. Number 17. I am galactic starseed blooming. Serial 330. Lucky shirt. Love, peace, hope, optimism, accountability, progress, creativity. Pursue your goals and achieve what you desire. Your efforts will bring wonderful benefits to you and your loved ones. Your communication skills are improving, making it easier to connect with a diverse range of individuals. Embrace this time of growth and watch your relationships and projects flourish. 0808. Swift action. Wealth, empathy, commitment, affection, inner strength, promises, and positive outcomes. You are entering a phase of expansion, so take immediate action towards your ultimate goals. Financial improvement is on the horizon. And by the way, someone has their eyes on you. Stay focused because the universe is aligning in your favor. Those are some good reminders. We have a bizarre card there. Ancient Oak Spirit. Strength. Number 2. Number 10. Food. Choose locally grown, organic produce when you can. And the last card for today before we go to our quotes. I am present. Breathe in the present, breathe out the past. When life gets stressful, take a deep breath and release your worries as you exhale. Remind yourself, I am present, the past is done, and the future is uncertain. By focusing on the present moment, you can find peace and enhance your quality of life. Alrighty, let's check out this little envelope today. Pink, pink, pink. Perspective 89. Your life is shaped by the foods you eat, the books you read, the profiles you follow, the media you consume, the experience you have, the people you spend time with, the state of your gut health, the environment you're in, the habits you stick to, the goals you set, and the beliefs you hold. There are other wonderful germs to spread: love, ambition, inspiration, and positivity. Find those within you and infect those around you. 9 a.m. prepping for a call. 11 a.m. a call. 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. recovering from a call. Introvert life. I want to live in a world where all people don't have to fight just to exist. And the last one today. Perspective 101. Forget how old you are. Ask yourself, can I wake up without feeling tired? Can I carry my own groceries? Can I walk upstairs without losing breath? Can I move like it's easy? Can I stand in line without back pain? Can I eat and feel fine after? Can I play with a kid for 10 minutes? Can I enjoy quiet without needing a screen? Can I smile without pretending? Can I feel joy for no reason? Can I fall asleep fast? That's your real age, measured in energy, not years. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.